Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw your money from Plus500. So right now we are here in the trade station, and if you want to withdraw your money, it's very important to verify your account. If you don't verify your account, you can't withdraw money from your account. So that's the first step that you need to do. I didn't verify my account, but this is fine. And I will show you the place where you can withdraw in today's video. So if you want to withdraw, you go to funds. And then right here, you can select right here withdrawal or deposit. In today's video, you want to withdraw, click there on withdrawal, and then you need to do the following steps. Now, he is telling me apply for your trading account by completing the next step. So I need to verify myself. That is why he's telling me that to do. But when you didn't do that, you can withdraw your money right there. The only thing that you need to do is fill in your details, your crypto wallet address or your banking address, fill in the amount and what you want to withdraw, and then click there on withdrawal, and that's it. So it's seriously that easy, and I can show you exactly the steps because I didn't verify my account, so that's a little bit sad, but I can help you through it. So if you don't find it out after seeing this video, please comment it down below so I can help you with all these steps, but this is the place where you need to be. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.